Hello, class. This is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone had a great week. We're on to Lesson 6 this week, where we'll be talking about individual and organizational hiring considerations and fit. First, I'll share just a bit of Did You Know trivia. We'll talk about last week's case study. We'll discuss the Lesson 6 objectives, the assignments that are due for Lesson 6, the HOA meetings this week, and one final thought. Did you know that according to Amazon, the most highlighted books on Kindle are the Bible, the Steve Jobs biography, and the Hunger Games? I did not know that. All right, so wrap up from last week about office politics and power. Some takeaways and lessons learned. The first point is that you're ultimately responsible for your career. No one else is but yourself and your decisions. Seek out the advice and counsel of trusted mentors and coaches. The best leaders are the best learners. In other words, if you're able to learn from your mistakes or from others, you will be more effective in your job. And finally, humility is important, as we saw in this case, related to the previous point that the more humble you are regarding your trying to improve, the more effective you will be. Lesson 6 objectives. Again, we're talking about hiring and recruitment this week. Talk about the considerations we make for hiring, the consideration the organization needs to look at, examining how someone can fit in the organization, and then we'll discuss managing talent, hiring dynamics, and a number of other important recruitment considerations. The assignments that are due for Lesson 6 on Tuesday, 11 p.m., the case study write-up for recruitment of a star, complete your readings for the 7 Habits book, pages 247 to 296, due on Saturday at 11 p.m. Obviously, before that, during the week, you will hold your live HOA meeting. You also need to post your to the reading discussions what you read from the 7 Habits book. Make sure you post. The sooner the better. Your weekly self-assessment, and also there will be a mid-course feedback. This week I'll be meeting with groups 7 and 8. So team leaders, make sure you find the discussion agenda and post your instructions or your link on the discussion board and record the meeting. One final thought, that's that which we obtain too easily, we esteem too lightly. Thomas Paine. All right, everyone. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you online. Bye-bye.